taking some snacks that has some weird names. First, I'm going to be trying some whistling candy, unicorn poop, candy sushi, then some crickets. Let's try the whistling pops first. It tastes like strawberries. I think it's because it's strawberry flavored. Next I'm going to be trying some unicorn poop. Then marshmallows. Yum. They're so good. I'm going to be trying some candy sushi. It smells good. Wow. Let's try this first. It's a little bit sour. It's marshmallows, and let's see what it tastes like. It's sour. This part is sour. Let's try this part. Yum. It's marshmallows. Next, let's try these. It has little bubbles on it. So let's see what it tastes like. The flavor is orange. These are the little sauces for sushi. Brown sauce and red sauce. I'll try the red first. It's strawberry flavored too. Now the brown sauce. Wow, it came out. It's so long. It's like chocolate flavored. Now let's try these. It has a little gummy inside. And this is what it was covering, the gummies. This is the gummy. It looks like a gummy bear, but it's yellow on the back. Let's try these first. I think these are sour. Yep, it's sour. But it actually tastes good too. The flavor is green apple. Now the gummy bear. It tastes like strawberry and lemon at the same time. Next, we'll try these. I think this is chocolate flavor and these. I don't know what these are, but there's something that goes in sushi. Yum. Strawberry and marshmallows. Now let's try these. They taste good. It's a little bit like chocolate. Now let's try one of these. This is the fish and the rice that's supposed and this marshmallow. It tastes good. It also tastes like this one. Now we're gonna try some crickets that taste like bacon cheddar, which I think. Here's the cricket. I thought these were fake, but they're actually real. And 3, 2, 1. They actually do taste like bacon cheddar, but in another flavor. Ugh. That was so gross. Thank you for watching me eating these weird snacks. Tell us in the comments which one will you eat. See you next time. Bye.